This is a new project here, Tiny House on Wheels. Pretty new to the YouTube thing, so try to be patient with me. But I'd like to document everything and show what I can. This is 37-foot tiny house gooseneck right here. Triple axle, you can see. 7-foot gooseneck overhang right here, so you get the 30 feet of that and 7 foot here. And this was a kit from Trailer Made. I didn't buy it new. I bought this actually off Facebook Marketplace as an unfinished project. So it's roughly in this condition. I've only done a few little things here trying to get it sealed up for winter. So it's roughly 8 feet wide, 37 feet in length, and 13.5 tall. Here are some photos of when I first got it so you can see what I've done so far and what it came with. So I'll just do a quick walk around. Trying to get it all sealed up for winter here. Right here it's got 4 jacks all the way around to help level it out. It's got a metal roof up there. Still working on getting that finished up while the rain's coming in. Right here, the original kit had it framed out for a window this large, and the original owners that bought it ended up putting a smaller window and an AC unit straight through the wall here, so I ended up pulling all that out and putting in larger windows, like a 2x5 foot right here. It's got all the galvanized metal sheeting under here with insulation. I'll go ahead and show you guys the inside. Alrighty, so here's the inside. Over here is the area above the gooseneck. This is gonna be our living room area. It is 6'4" in the shortest area. As you can see, the roof's peaked there. So 6'4" in the shortest. And that's obviously before flooring and any type of ceiling or anything there. This window over here to the left is broken, and replace that one. There's gonna be our front door right here. It's a fiberglass door with a stained glass type style, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, insert. A friend hooked me up. Over here on this wall is gonna be our kitchen area. Putting the sink right under that window. It's a bit of a jungle gym in here to kind of get around with all the building supplies. Back here is going to be our bathroom. This is the back of the trailer. It came with quite a few different things. Over here you can see the tub it came with, the vinyl wall stuff for the tub, toilet, oven, vanity down here. And this bathroom is 6 feet long, and it's 6'6". There is the height. Over here is going to be our fridge. Gonna have plenty of storage under the stairs there. Storage is definitely going to be an issue. So if you guys have any recommendations, please drop some comments below. Alright, up these stairs, it's going to be the bedroom. This area is 10 feet long and 3'7" in the shortest area right there. So it's gonna be just enough to kind of crawl around. Our plan is to put a mattress, like a queen size mattress, just right here on the floor. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. I'm sure I forgot all kinds of stuff, so please drop a comment below if you guys have any questions. And please like and subscribe to follow this along. Thank you.